morning from Salzburg. So I'm going to show you just a little bit about how beautiful this place is. It's called Schloss Leopoldskron. I don't know if my pronunciation is anywhere near what it should be, but it's what I've got. So what you're looking at right now is the place we're actually staying. All the rooms are located in this place. Yeah, there's the palace. That's where we're holding many of our meetings, where we hold our breakfasts, all that stuff. It's amazing. There's an amazing story connected to it too, where it's a beautiful thing, but it's actually a symbol of repression in the sense that it was built by a Catholic bishop in the area who essentially expelled 20,000 Protestants and Jews from the area and used their resources to fund the building of this. So it is an interesting and also problematic symbol in some ways. This is just gorgeous. This is the lake behind the hotel. It is absolutely stunning. You can see the mountains in the background. Wow. Incidentally, this is the lake from Sound of Music. So when the Von Trapp children are in a boat, it is this lake that they're on. And I believe, presumably, this house in the background. That's somewhat remarkable. So as we pan around, as we take a look at this beautiful place, I'm share one idea with you that stuck with me from our short meetings last night. The Salzburg Global Seminar was founded in 1947, following World War II, and its founders, 3 students, if I remember correctly, envisioned this seminar being a Marshall Plan of the mind. And so the Marshall Plan was the attempt by the Western Allies, especially the U.S., to provide resources to West Germany, specifically West Berlin, at a time when it was really isolated and cut off. And by providing those resources, what West Berlin needed, the West was able to stabilize that region and normalize relations and create a positive relationship with a former enemy, but also help Germany rebuild, which stands in stark contrast to the policies of the Entente after World War I. And so I think that's an incredibly powerful metaphor for change, right? The Marshall Plan of the mind. What do you need to drop in to a given place with a given set of circumstances in order to improve circumstances for people who live there?